Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. It is freezing here. I wanted to do a quick pre-recorded video to show you what I did with our cupcake liner flowers. These are from Walmart. Remember I showed you all these? When I'm done with this video, I'm going to Walmart to see if I can get some more of these. They're like little dessert cups, cupcake, papers. You can use them for a couple different things. They're kind of hard. Remember I showed you all, they're kind of really stiff. So I did make flowers out of them, and I want to show you how I did that. But I want to show you them. Look, here's the blue one. Look, here's the blue. Here's the yellow. How pretty are they? I wish I could find a solid hard one like this that I could put in the inside instead of using two of the printed. But here's this one. Okay, I'm going to show you what I used for the centers. All right, first I'm going to show you. You need two. You need two of these to make one flower, okay? So I figured out if you cut out 4 petals. So I am going to snip in between here. I snipped. Now I'm going to snip after 4 petals because we want to cut out 4 petals. See, I snipped. There's 4 petals. I snipped. Then I am just going to cut them out and just cut around like your circle, like that. So here's what it'll look like when you cut it out. I'm saving these. We got to use these for something. These would make good little wings on something because they're so hard. But that's what it looks like. Okay. Then I take my scissors and I snip down the middle. Just like this. See, like that. Snip down the middle like that. Then we're going to fold it over. You got to see which way works. Like I was folding this way. That one didn't go good for me. So I fold this way. This will swish down. It will look like this. It's going to look like this. You are going to add a little line of hot glue on the side of one of these petals. Just tiny bit. You don't need a whole lot. Just like that. And then you're going to glue these 2 petals together. Just like this. You're going to glue them together. See how that comes out? You just glue them together. Now, on the bottom, I kind of flatten it out. And I have this little piece of extra flipped hanging over here. I'm just going to clip that off. I just clipped that little extra piece off. Now I'm just going to glue this down. So just add a tiny bit because the heat comes right through this. So don't, okay, now I can put my finger on it. It's so hot in the beginning. So I end up with this, another little flower cup. And it's going to go inside of here, see? Now, I line it up so that one petal is of the small thing is in between 2 of the outer petals. But I'm going to add a little hot glue into the bottom of my outside cupcake tin thing, cupcake wrapper, whatever it is. And then I am going to put this in there. And I am centering my petal in between. I just want to make sure I got it right. It kind of dries really quick. I'm trying to do it while it's up. I got to make sure I have it centered. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. See how my petal is in between 2 petals? That is what it looks like. Now, here's what I used for the centers, guys. Okay. Ponytail holders from the Dollar Tree. This is one kind you can get. Now, it comes, this one had the purple, the blue, the pink. I used the pink on the inside here, and a yellow. Those are the 4 colors you get on this kind of ponytail holder. It's this little fluffy one there. Then there was another one, this kind. It comes in these colors or these colors. But these ones I think go best with the flowers that we have. So I am going to use the pink one to put inside of here. Oh, it's going to be so cute. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, look how this is going to, oops, let's see. These make really good centers for any flowers you're making. Okay, look how cute that is. All right, so I'm just going to hot glue that in there. Just add a little bit of hot glue and stick this in there. You're going to glue it down. I got glue strings here. I hate the whole glue strings. Okay. There, look how cute that is. How cute is that? Then I found my fishing line, guys. I found my fishing line. I had it with my ribbons. Okay, let me get the end here. I just cut a piece of fishing line. I put it through my needle. And I am just going to thread through my paper here. I am just going to thread through one of my petals, just like this. Take my needle off, and I am going to tie a loop. I probably cut it a little too long, but that's okay. It's very stiff. I tie a double knot because my first one knot doesn't seem secure enough for me. So I double knot it. I can get it through. Okay. I pull it tight. And then I just trim off my little excess on the ends. And voila. Look, we have our flowers to hang on the tree. How cute are these? These would even be cute on a wood with something else. And, ooh, these would be cute on wood. And then do like a green pipe cleaner underneath. Oh, we can do flowers if I can find more of these. I need to find more of these. Or I can go online and see if they have them. I have to see if they're cheap as these were. Because I think these were only $2 something when we got them. But you get 6 flowers out of one box. And I would really like to find a solid, either a solid big one and use the print for the middle, or a solid small one to put inside. But maybe I would like a big solid print outside one, because then it would be print and then solid center. Okay, that's it, guys. I just did this quick little video to show you how to make these cute, cute flowers for our trees. You can use these for Easter and spring. I got to go find more of these. Okay, if you like this idea, and I got to go buy these, and I need to go get another one of pack of these ones, so I can send this kind and this kind. If you like this video, just decorate the page with your friends, and I am going to pick someone on Thursday to receive this box of the cupcake baking cups and this thing of scrunchies, ponytail holders, and I will go find another pack of these ponytail holders, so because this one comes with yellow and the darker pink also. Okay, comes with this darker pink and it comes with the yellow, so I have to go find these for you guys. But okay, so if you like this video, just decorate the page, guys. I'm loving these flowers. Thanks. I'll see y'all later. Bye.